Hey guys, Leela's Tools here, and today we got a bit of an unboxing and my experience with Mac Tools warranty. So let's talk about the warranty while we get into this. So I've never bought Mac Tools myself. My grandpa did though, back in the day, and these were his, and they were just worn out. They were never abused or anything like that, but yeah. So what I did, I emailed Mac. I don't quite remember exactly which email it was, but I messaged them, and they got back to me, and I sent them a list of the items, what was wrong with them, and the part numbers, and they got back to me, and I think they wanted pictures of the items, and sorry I'm saying a lot. They wanted the I keep saying it, jeez. They wanted pictures, and I was gonna get them pictures, but I was busy. So 2 or 3 days went by, and I got another email, and it said, "Hey, we've sent out warranty, and it's on the way." So, and it just arrived. So let's take a look. This is a 7/16 12-point deep socket, 1/4 inch drive. Beautiful socket. Here we have a pick. This guy, get out of there. It is made in Taiwan. There's that little guy there. This one was broken off right at the bend. There's that guy. And here we have a impact socket. This is a 1/2 inch drive, 5/8 deep, 6-point. There's that guy. Nice weight to these sockets. What do I currently got for a 5/8? I have a Stanley Challenger. This Mac is heavier. Interesting. The walls on the Stanley actually look bigger. So there's that guy. And last but not least, we've got a little punch, pin punch. This guy right here. Wear your safety goggles. 1/8 inch pin punch, Mac USA. So, my experience with the Mac Tools warranty was really, really good. It was fast, it was easy, no issues. So yeah, I'm very happy with my warranty experience, and if you guys have warrantied online with Mac before, let me know, and let me know what your experience was like. I'd like to know if mine was just a fluke, or if I did really well, whatnot. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching, and like, comment, subscribe if you're new and whatnot, and we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.